Carrot truffles along with instant carrot halwa, which is so delicious, is what we are going to make today. Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi, your place where good food is made easy. Today we are making two amazing recipes with carrots, which will be sugar-free, gluten-free, healthy and so delicious. Carrot is a great source of beta-carotene, fibers, potassium and antioxidants. It's also linked to lower cholesterol and improve eye health. So let's enjoy some carrots in these carrot truffles and carrot or gajar ka halwa. I'm sure eating carrots in such a fun way will definitely be looked forward to. Simple, wholesome, healthy and fairly instant. To make the carrot truffles, let's take 2 large carrots. You could take red Indian carrots which are so juicy, or you could take orange carrots which are available round the year. Peel the carrots and process them into fine shreds. You could do it with the help of a grater or process it quickly in a food processor. The soft, juicy shreds of carrots are so easy to process and grate. Once done, collect it in a bowl. Then we take a pan and add a tablespoon of butter or coconut oil and add the grated carrots. The idea is to reduce the moisture content and cook it slightly. In case you prefer the fresh raw taste of carrots, simply squeeze the grated carrots to remove moisture. Then take a cup of soft dates which has been de-seeded and process it smooth. This processing could take a while, so please be patient. Soak the dates in case your dates are not so soft. Then we take a cup of roasted walnuts or pecan, half a cup of desiccated coconut and process it to a coarse crumb. Then we add the cooked and cooled carrots and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Process it quickly and then we add the processed dates. Again process it lightly. We are looking for the bits to stay. Then if you wish, you could add some raisins, cranberries for that extra bite in the carrot truffles. Remove the carrot truffle mixture in a bowl. Then we add vanilla extract to enhance more flavor. Nutmeg, ginger are some of the other flavors that you could add if you wish to. In case you're liking the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Then you roll them into a ball of a size of a walnut. Dates, walnuts, carrots in these truffles come together very easily. Refrigerate it for an hour, which will set the truffle and help the flavors to grow. So here you see the truffles are set, and now we'll make a topping. To make the topping, let's approximately take 100 grams of white chocolate. Chop the white chocolate into small pieces so that it melts easily and evenly. Melt them in a double bath. This is the safest way to melt white chocolate as it is extremely heat sensitive. Then we take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to thin down the chocolate and make it a little more glossy. Now let's coat the carrot truffles with some chocolate goodness. We take these truffles in a fork and dip them in the chocolate mixture. These truffles are well coated in the chocolate mixture, and now we'll sprinkle some cinnamon and orange. We will use the same process to coat the remaining truffles with the chocolate mixture and top it with some edible pearls. In case you do not have white chocolate, simply roll the truffles in the dry desiccated coconut. This is a fun and messy way to enjoy the delicious treat, but really worth all the effort. To make the instant carrot halwa, we take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee and allow it to melt. Then we add the shredded sweet red carrots along with a cup of full fat milk and stir. Allow it to cook at medium heat till the milk evaporates. Then we add 1/3 cup of jaggery sugar or as per taste along with half a cup of full fat milk powder. Cook these to the desired consistency, and then we add 2 tablespoons of cashews along with some cardamom powder. Mix it well to combine. Serve these warm immediately, topped with some extra ghee. Or if you are like me and like some new serving ideas, then we take these carrot halwa to the next level. For the serving, we take approximately 100 grams of white chocolate and chop them into small pieces. Chopping them in small pieces helps them to melt easily. Then we melt the chocolate in the hot water bath. This is the easiest way to melt chocolate. Once melted, keep aside. To serve the carrot halwa, we are making white chocolate cups. To make the cups, we take a mold. In case you do not have mold, you could use cold oranges as well, or take some cupcake wrappers. Slice these into half and coat them with chocolate. So here I am coating the mold generously with white chocolate to make cups. This is an optional step, but believe me, when cold halwa is served in these cups, they look truly outstanding. Refrigerate these cups for a couple of hours till well set. So here you have a big batch of carrot truffles packed with so much flavor, nutrients, delicious and so simple to put together. Pour some warm tea, get a good company of friends to share these truffles. These carrot truffles are definitely a sheer delight. Perfect for those winter months and so full of flavor. The instant carrot halwa is a recipe loved for years and works wonders with everybody. Top it with some chopped nuts for an added crunch, and the dessert is an all-time favorite, comes to you in no time. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. All the ingredients have been listed in the description box below, so please check them before making.